Yeah, man, Ziggy again with a brand new real talk. Me see from where the Vibes Cartel crowning and some face and everything, Joshy and Massacre. I'm gonna make some posts on it as usual. You know, me is not a vlogger, I just a talk my 2 cents, and a lot of people have a lot of things to say. You have vloggers around you there, me say. You have people running at the comments and I say a clout me a chase, and you have a lot of people listen to reason as well. A lot of people talk with sense, and I say some good things too. Big up to Vibes Cartel again, a great thing, a greatness me a witness, and me just have to talk, bro. Alright, so I could address the people and say a clout me a chase. Alright, sure no happy. This I'm a YouTube. See it there? I'm a YouTube that 100 odd K me have on it, bro, and a pigeon me fly. Me a no vlogger. A pigeon me fly. Me get stroke, make them shut off of me, stab off of me. All things, all type of man have things about me, bro. But at the end of the day, a hard work my pattern. Resilience. And that's why I can look up to a man like Vibes Cartel and I can say, you see me I say, me have to take my hats off to the G. Me have to be real. And that's all I go on right there. So. And again, for the people who say a clout me a chase, let me show you something. Vibes Cartel, I don't know if you are going to see this, but if you do, show you how I go on. I show them something. Great people who follow and a great people who pattern. And I can talk for anything I want. I show you a pre. See it? This is the passport. This is the drone. I have cameras. I have drones. You get me I say? So any outer country, outer state work and you want a cameraman, you want a drone man, link me. Link me. I show them say I saw we go through. We're not afraid to talk, ask who I want and talk to who I want, man. Hard work we say, you know. And smartness, you know, we use the brain, brother. We use the brain. For the people you know, they'll come and I say me a Massacre hater and me a Vibes Cartel die-hearted fan, and all I want to go say, I'm break it down for you, you know.
Instagram stories and you see what it says. The post seemed as if it was some kind of collaboration because Massacre made the same post as well. I see some ridiculous people commenting on that video stating that Massacre is about to throw away his career for Joshy. I don't know if those people are saying to themselves, Joshy is the one who came on stage and chat with him a chat, and what he stated was basically going against Vibes Cartel. Maybe they might tell themselves, say, hey, you violate Vibes Cartel, your career done. And see it you now, Massacre about him there in a studio work on album with you. That is the only way I can interpret that statement. The statement about Massacre throwing away his career just by working on an album with Joshy. Every time I repeat it, it just sounds so stupid and dumb. We know many point fingers at Joshy stating that what he said to Massacre, that is what caused the big issue. But despite Massacre coming out and clearing the air, some people, I think it's safe to say Gaza fans still a bash Massacre.
Me find out here some backstage talk on a old dog, and Joshy couldn't, as again, Joshy can't hold him out. He just come out on stage and say what no talk backstage. Bad mind, bro. And all Massacre fans, them, see Massacre fans, them a come out and I say, Ray, illusion, bro. You know bad mind too. Because Vibes Cartel fan are no Vibes Cartel fan, brother. You see nobody out there whether work, interviews, shows, house, mentality. And the man of the king, bro. And the man still have a work rate. We are lapping in a dance hall, bro. 1 year the man come out of jail, brother. The man in a prison, and the man work rate exceed on the same way, bro. The man come out of prison less than a year, and the man still have a career. From him come out of prison, I go overlap no found. Now I go can't see the last outer road cartel, brother. Back to Massacre, you know. Cause me see a whole heap of Massacre fans, me see a talk about something and them, you know, but me find out say Massacre, what kind of thing that you do? You remember say 90% of your people them come over from Vibes Cartel and that. You don't really have no loyal combatants, brother. You get me I say? You don't really have no loyal patriots to one side or where you want to call yourself, brother. You get the road for lock it off. You see me I say, you not do it. Massacre, chill out, brother. When you hear about bodies are the baddest, brother, you're afraid of confrontation, brother.
That's why nobody can give you. You're not ready for the king status yet, brother, because you're afraid of confrontation. You love throw stone and hide your hand. You see popcorn out there. You see alkaline out there. You see blood clot hide one out there. And all no, me no hear you call a man name.
Any man career can dead, man. Don't feel like say a people, you know. We the people, you know. Any man career can dead, man. Why make you think Vybz Kartel work so hard? Because you know say yo greatness is not something where you can do to tune and then you say you're great. Are the people, man. We the people. So nobody follow no man and not go like say any man career can dead, brother. Fuck up on your career dead, man. What you talk about, man? Are we the people, and when people say yo, you definitely play a bad mind card. People know like everybody affected by bad mind some part in their life, man. What not talk about? So don't ever say oh no man career can't dead, and because when people see when I play a blatant bad mind card, brother, when career is done and put on, man, people support you, you know. You know, not support yourself, you know. Believe, man. When Vybz Kartel come out of prison, you know, I go so boom and I fly down to Jamaica. Of course, I have to go a concert. I couldn't make it miss me. So, me there Jamaica, I go Mecca. Me have Vybz Kartel there Mecca. Him the right, so and me the right, so. But I don't know cloud chasing thing. Me just want to know say at least me deck in the building with greatness. Me happy to see where the man come out and was able to go back to him real life, to him family, to making money. You see me as to helping people and just being great overall. And while I was in Jamaica, I want to tell you say me hear all of the things that people are saying. Me there in Mecca and hear people from Vybz Kartel name say, you know, look, where you know go find something to do in their road every night like Kamana. All manner of nonsense me hear people attack and me sit down and me no say nothing. Come back concert night again. The man come, people from all over the world come to see Vybz Kartel in concert, right? You have people still a come, say all type of thing. Them a go look on one side at the stadium where look, you know, or stadium work, you know. We know stadium work, we never go into that. For people who understand, people are going to look on one side of the stadium where full, everywhere around us are full, because organized thing we are dealing with. And we are going to look on the little part where we're not full off, and we are going to single out that, and we are going to talk about a thing about the man seeing way. Bypass all of the greatness, everything we are going, me not say nothing. The man go so boom and come and get him visa and go back to business again and sell out arenas and sell out shows and make whole heap of dancehall artists come back here now and I say yo, me can't do this to man. A whole heap of people come and I say yo, dancehall not dead. You see me I say? So even the haters, even the other people when I say Vybz Kartel, all uno eat too. You get me I say? All of the vlogger them we hate Vybz Kartel and still I go work on the man name same way. Uno get paid too. And me still not say nothing. The man go again, the man buy a car for each of him link them. People sit down and then talk about that too again. Me still not say nothing. Some fest now, after when me see go on a some fest, I just when I find out bro and I say yo, this thing I really want different level of bad mind. And me just couldn't keep quiet. Me have to just talk my 2 cents, bro. It's not cloud chasing. Me just call a spade a spade. And she say you them really bad mind with you. And all with that say yo Vybz Kartel from him lock up. Me I get to find out say I just a cloud who need a look. Who just a look for the remaining Vybz Kartel fans now where I go think say yo the dog now go come out. Who just a look them people if you jump on the bandwagon and say yo they must say Vybz Kartel, but you not real. You never real and Vybz Kartel tell you. You are fake. Mankind is a werewolf. Remember say Vybz Kartel tell you man. So I really that me a burn out. That me a fight, bro. The bad mind. Cause how me no see enough. How no stop talking now. You know highlight the greatness. The man go take a picture with him baby mother. You know come run with it. Find all type of thing we talk say. But when it comes down to the man just doing greatness, you know not talk. Where the post you wanna make there. I big up and I say yo, if you don't respect the man, respect what the man do for the sport no man. You can't see for no and say yo the man do some great things. Me no follow fool, bro. Me no follow fool. See it there? Teacher, if you want a cameraman, me there in Miami, me there in Florida, link up. See it there? Overseas. Cross country, we there. Yeah man, and we book one flight to. You don't know where. Ziggy HD season on all platform if you don't want, if you go watch it for yourself. And just go watch the full video. Me not tell no lie on them. Me not tell no lie on them, you know. Everything when me talk say, you can listen, watch it, comment them, you can listen to what me say, and you can pass on one judgment. A lot of people are going to hate same way, are going to hate Vibes Cartel same way, because Jesus did walk on water, cure leprosy, and cure the blind. And they still crucify him same way. And Vibes Cartel don't need we don't come with appraisal and them thing there. We don't need them thing there. You get me I say, cause we work hard. You get me I say? Yeah man, so that's a code right there, so hard work man. Man gets choke and man come back cripple one time. You see me I say? And we still come out here and we are putting in the work. We put in the work. Cause we pattern great people with a bad mind. We work hard. Look how much video me I do a day. Check it. Check on the YouTube then. You see me I say? Look how much video we do a day. We put in the work because of that we see great people do. No cut no shortcut around here. You get me I say? Yeah man.